I am George and I am going to talk about my research paper, which has the topic The Economic Contribution of Education. I am going to talk about the subtopic number 2 that says Education and International Human Capital in Economics. I am going to divide it into two parts, assessing the economic contribution of education and investment in the concept of human capital. Starting with the assessing of the economic contribution of education, well, it could be said that education is potentially important driver of economic growth. Besides, quantifying its benefits is therefore of crucial policy importance. A vast empirical literature in both microeconomics and macroeconomics has emerged around this question and proposed different approaches to assess the effect of education on productivity. Education has long-term benefits for individuals and society as a whole. We can think of the social returns to education as the sum of private and external benefits. Private benefits are those that accrue to the individual when making educational investments. The impact of education on wages and employment is the most widely recognized private benefit, but individuals may also enjoy private return in education impacts on other personal outcomes, such as their health, parenting skills, or even marriage prospects. Education may also have external returns if its benefits spill over to other individuals in the same industry, city, or economy. People with greater human capital may raise to the productivity of others with whom they interact. External benefits could also extend beyond increasing labor, market productivity, for example, by decreasing crime or contributing to a more democratic political process. Talking about the other part of the subtopic, investment in the concept of human capital, we can say that business is made of three basic economic resources that are land, labor, and capital. The first, land, is the physical resource used to produce goods or services. And then labor is the human manpower that transforms that resource into consumer products. And capital is the money used to purchase both. Within all this is the importance of economic concept of developing human labor, commonly referred to as a human capital investment. Two common types of human capital investments include education and training. Education often includes reimbursing employees for traditional college degrees or paying for seminars or trade schools. Education is often used to develop an employee's technical skills in areas such as accounting, finance, or production. Training is the most often conducted by supervisors working on the job with employees, showing them how to complete specific functions. Using education and training to improve human labor helps companies to create a competitive advantage, as when companies train employees to produce goods or services not available from other business. Business owners and managers with specific technical skills can train employees to duplicate processes effectively and efficiently. Companies need to consider which employees should receive training. While certain employees respond positive to business education or training, others might not. This response often depends on the employee's motivation. Employees may also not be willing to work at a company during the education or training process. Well, this chapter had the main purpose of telling the reader that investing on education has a lot of benefits and advantages. I hope you like these counsels, and I hope you apply it to your business or your real life situations.